Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing something weird. We're doing something different for my channel. We are going to do my hair. We're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to be using Arctic Fox. We're going to be mixing the Virgin Pink and the Girls Night. We're going to mix it in with some conditioner to make it pastel instead of super bright because I don't want that pink of hair. So we are freshly washed and blow dried with no conditioner, so it's kind of gross. So let's get to mixing. We have our standard hair color bowl and hair color brush. Don't worry guys, I'm a professional. It's okay. We can do this. Apparently my dog wanted to be in the video because he's always quiet, and so I let him stay, but now he's making weird dinosaur noises. He's saying hello. I'm just mixing a lot of the pink. I'm gonna empty in some lovely farting purple. And then I'm going to just mix in any kind of conditioner to dilute that down to a more pastel color. Generally you need just as much conditioner as color. So we have all of that in our bowl, and I'm not going to tip it because I'm going to dump it out. So now we just mix like we're baking. And just mix like we're baking a cake. And we just keep adding colors until the stuff in the bowl looks to be the color that we want it to be on our hair. We're going to put this on our head. We'll be back and show you when it's finished. Okay, so we're back. Color has been applied. We have this lovely squishy pink color. We're gonna leave it on for maybe 30 minutes or so. We're putting this super high fashion bag on our head to keep everything contained and beautiful. And now we're gonna go do a whole lot of nothing. We'll be back with you after we shampoo it out and let you see how it looks. So here is the hair color after being left on for 30 minutes and dried. It is a lot brighter than I was hoping for. There are some places where I'm happy with the color. It's a little bit patchy, but that could just be because my hair is so dry before we did this. I was really hoping for something super light like right here. But we're gonna work with this, so I am... Whew. Have y'all seen the cartoon or like Nick Jr. show Lazy Town from way back in the day, like early 2000s I think? I feel like that girl on there. Like I need a super villain stalker because I feel like her right now. It's gonna take some getting used to. So I am going to go ahead and style this crazy shit and put my makeup on, and we will be back for some final thoughts. Okay, so we are back, and I'm sorry my camera is looking a little crooked, so if I'm crooked, forgive me. Here is after the hair is all styled and my face is put on. So final thoughts on this hair color: super conditioning. My hair feels really soft after doing it. The colors are absolutely amazing. It's a little bit brighter than I wanted. I might be able to get used to it. So might my boss. I don't know. But I know that it's gonna fade too, so eventually I'll have that color that I was looking for. And if I really just don't want to stick with this super bright pink, then I can wash it with abrasive shampoo, you know, I can pull it out. It's not a big deal. It's definitely not a big deal. I like it. It smells wonderful. The color applies amazingly. One thing that I would do is next time definitely do more research. I went to Sally's actually, and I was going to get my normal Ion Brilliance color because I know how those works. I know how those work. I know how to dilute them. And I like them, but I'm not in love with them. I actually like them more than Pravana colors, and I am a professional licensed cosmetologist, so I can actually go by professional colors. But for pastels and bright colors like this, the only readily available options that stayed in your hair was, you know, well, that actually stayed in your hair that was a decent product is the Ion Brilliance. So, and that says a lot. I've been doing hair for a long time. Actually, I did hair for a long time, and through all of my trials and tribulations with trying to get bright, vibrant colors like this, those were the go-tos. But when I went to Sally's, I saw Arctic Fox, and I've been hearing a lot about Arctic Fox, so I thought I'll give it a try. I did not do enough research to know that they have their own diluter to make the colors more pastel. So I think that might be part of the reason why this is still so super bright, because I did not use the Arctic Fox diluter. Next time I will do that. They did not have it at Sally's when I went. Actually, the selection that they had in the Arctic Fox was really limited. It was like 4 colors, big bottle, small bottle. That was about it. So I will do some more research, and I will go ahead and go online and order a bottle of that diluter for next time. So all in all, this is so far amazing. You guys will be on the journey with me, so you'll get to see how long it lasts on my hair and everything. But go ahead and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think I just screwed up my entire life, or do you think it's cute? Let me know. And while you're here, go ahead and click subscribe and like. Let me know what you think about the video. Until next time, bye.